Hi, this is Michelle Samuel and I'm working as Business Development Executive here at Zafar Securities. Zafar Securities is one of the leading brokerage house at Pakistan Stock Exchange. We are starting a series on how a woman can play an essential role in uplifting economy and also empowering them to participate in stock market through our short videos, which will include different guests and experts. Long-standing inequalities has prevented women from participating in and benefiting from stock markets. Women participation has rapidly increased in stock business globally. The participation of women in the economy is important in order to enhance and contribute towards raising the economic potential of the country. Thank you.